This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce website to mobile app. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS mobile application. Get an opportunity to grab 30% off by being the first 200 signups. Get the link in the description. Hello and hi, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything and all about WordPress. I'm Aisha, and in this video we'll be seeing how you can add WooCommerce pre-order extension to your customers to pre-order the products onto your website. So when you have some products that require some pre-ordering, or maybe that is some best-selling products, and you want your customers to place a pre-order before you dispatch the actual product. In such cases, you can always use a pre-order extension by WooCommerce. And this is the plugin that we're talking about, the WooCommerce pre-order plugin. So you can buy this from WooCommerce website directly. You can get the link in the description, and this comes with different features, like it comes with a date time option to see the countdown, and it automatically charges the order. There's a pay later option that's available, and you can always change the release date, emails all the customers when the product is available, canceling pre-orders, etc. So such kind of features are also available. So we're going to see how you can integrate this plugin onto your website. So we are in our website and we have already installed the WooCommerce pre-order plugin. So first of all, we're going to go to the settings right here and see how this is there. So in the WooCommerce settings, you will be able to see there is a pre-order option right there. So this when there is a add to cart button will be generally there, but here in this case there is a pre-order now button. So place a pre-order now button is also there for your customers to see. And there's another message like availability date and availability time is will also be displayed according to what you are giving as an input. So these are some basic things, basic items in the settings. So I'm just going to save the changes. And here in the payment section, let's go to the payments. You will be able to see there is a pay later options available. So pay later option is only available for the pre-order items. So when a customer places a pre-order item, then that person will get a pay later option, so that when the product is become available, only then they have to pay. So that's another feature of this plugin. So now let's see how you can add a product as a pre-order. So we're going to go to the product section. And here we're going to edit this product with that we already have, and we're going to enable pre-order for that product. So here we have the product right here. As we scroll down, we have the product data section over there. And here we'll be able to see the pre-order option is available. So you can just click on to enable pre-orders. So here you can write the available date and time. So I'm going to choose a date and time. So let's say, and we can give the time. So it's 11 hours and 11. Okay, that's done. And if there is any pre-order fee, you can always enable that. So we don't want to do that. So when you want to charge your customers, so either they can pay before the product becomes available, or you can enable them upon the release. So when the product is available, only then they have to pay. So I'm going to choose upon release. So that is also done. And I'm going to click on to update. So now let's go and view our product. And here, this is our product, and here you will be able to see the pre-order now option. So when I just click on to pre-order now, we already have some products that was available in our website, but that is removed since because of the complexities that is facing when you order a pre-order item. This pre-order item can only be placed when there is single-handedly. So only one product, a pre-order product, can be purchased at a time. So here we have our product is been added to our basket. So when I just click on to our basket right here, it's given as it's available from 6th of October. So when I click on to proceed to checkout, Here you will be able to see that you will receive an email when the pre-order order is available along with the instruction. So you can click on to place pre-order now so that the product will be available when you have to pay only when the product is available. So we have placed a pre-order request. So here you will be able to see that the pre-order is already placed and the payment method is pay later. So when you just go to our account section, here you will be able to see that I have placed an order and here there is an option of pre-order. So when you just click on to pre-order option, here you will be able to see that the product is active and the release date is on 6th of October. So that is done. So this is how you can place an order. So when we go back to our website, I'm just going to refresh the product. Here you will be able to see that there are active pre-orders for this product, and if you want to change a release date, you can use the action menu. And if you want to complete complete or cancel the pre-order, you can also do that. So once an order is placed for your pre-orders, you can't change any of the details like sale price or regular price. Any of the other settings can't be accessed, but you can change the release date. So for that, when you go to the WooCommerce section, and you will be able to see a pre-order option right here. So in the manage section, you will be able to see all of the orders that's been pre-ordered. So this is the last pre-order item is right here. So the order date is here and the available date is also here. So when you just go to the action button, here you will be able to see all of the products that's been you have been given as pre-order. So when I just click on to the product, I have the product, and you can change any details, or if you want to send any email to your customers that the product is available or something like that, you can write the message over here and send the email. And if you want to change the release date, you can click on to change the release date, and here select the product and add the new availability date. So we had given as 6, now I'm going to give as 7, and that's our new availability date, and it will also send a notification to your customers that the availability date has been changed. We have seen all of the settings. We have seen the action button, the manage options, the payment options, and other settings as well. Going back to the product, here you'll be able to see that all of the things that we have mentioned is already there. There is that this item will be available on 7th of October. The change has been made in the website. And here you'll be able to see the countdown. So sometimes if your countdown is not visible, you can always use the short code that's prescribed in the WooCommerce pre-order settings. So you can use the short code and paste it over in the short description, and you can see the countdown is running down, and there's a pre-order now button, and everything is right there. So this is how you can add a pre-order option onto your WooCommerce website to make your customers buy more or want something due to this. So I hope this video helped you, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in another video. Bye.